What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add gradient on any text. Here I have written a text and I want to add gradient on this text. First of all, I will click on this layer and then rasterize type, and then click on the layer again and select pixel. It have been selected, so now I want to add gradient. First of all, you should click on this and click gradient overlay to add gradient. Another option is click on this layer, double click from your mouse and click gradient overlay. Here we can change any color. I have lot of gradient color and all those I have collected from internet. You can choose anyone from here and click OK. So it is done. Ctrl D to unselect this. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.